Welcome to a VR180 speed shot peek through the art museums of Colonial Williamsburg. This location houses multiple museums under one roof. One of them is Abby Aldrich Rockefeller's Folk Art Museum, and the other is the DeWitt Wallace Decorative Art Museum. We apologize for the blurs as we wind our way haphazardly through this location. They did not permit tripods. We got some shots of antique furniture, folk art, toys, and a lot of clocks. There was so much more to this museum as the exhibits spanned from the 17th to the 19th century, and it also had colonial and contemporary folk art. When you visit, you first need to get a locker to put your coat, backpack, and bags in, though I think small handbags were permitted to go through. And be sure to go to the front desk for a map because this place was pretty sizable. See the link below for Colonial Williamsburg's main page to this art museum and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.